Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll show you how to install PyCharm IDE on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 system, updated for the latest version. PyCharm is one of the most powerful IDEs for Python development, and getting it set up is easier than you think. First, to be able to begin, open your browser and go to this link, which is www.jetbrains.com/PyCharm, which is this one. Then once you're in here, onto their official website, you should be able to see a download button. So you'll have to simply click onto that and you should be able to see two versions right after. So as you can see in here, if you click this arrow, we have the two options here. So feel free to choose which one applies onto your device. And if you're not using Windows as well, we have Mac OS and Linux available. So click on download here. And then right after, it should go ahead and automatically download onto your device. So you'll just have to wait for this one. So if that one would not start, you'll have to use the direct link, which is this one. So click onto that. So we'll just have to wait for this one to be finished. And right after, once it is downloaded, just go ahead and locate the file folder wherein this one is downloaded. So we'll just have to open the exe file and we're gonna be heading through the setup wizard. So I'm currently already onto my downloads folder. So let's click onto this to be able to see the setup wizard. So you should be able to see something like this. You'll just have to click on next for this. Right after, choosing the installation folder. So we could set this one as default. Click on next. Then right after, here you could go ahead and configure your PyCharm installation. Then click on next right after. Then choose a start menu folder and then click on install. So you'll just have to wait for this one to be done and be finished. Now, once it is done, you should be able to see something like this. You could click on run PyCharm in here and click on finish, and the IDE will open for the first time. So you could choose whether to import settings. If this is your first install, just choose do not import settings and hit OK. Now PyCharm will launch and you should be able to land on the welcome screen. So before that, there is also an agreement. You'll just have to click on confirm for that and continue. So you could choose the option there. We are already on PyCharm. From here, you can now create a new Python project, open an existing one, or configure your interpreter under settings, projects, and then Python interpreter. So just make sure that Python is installed on your system, and if not, you could check our other videos on how to install Python on your device. And that is just basically it. You've successfully installed PyCharm IDE on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. If you think that this has been helpful to you, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and also check out the links in the description for some helpful bonuses, tools, and extra resources we share. Thank you very much for watching, and happy coding!